The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for central Williamson County until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:17 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Serenada, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Weir around 7:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Granger and Bartlett around 7:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Granger Dam around 7:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Finn, Lanaport, Jonah, Hoxie, Waterloo, Sandoval, Hare, and Wahlberg. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.